Hey guys, I'm back at Perfect Distraction Hair Gallery for my tape-ins maintenance appointment. By the time my maintenance appointment rolled around, some of my tape-ins were loose, on the verge of falling out, and I just desperately needed a good wash day. So you guys are going to see all the steps that Iman takes to replenish my head. She does take out some tape-ins, put some tape-ins back in, so you guys will get to see the entire process, and hopefully this helps you on your tape-in journey. So what you saw was Iman tugging on some of the tape-ins to find the loose ones and the ones that were on the verge of falling out. Now she's taking a special solution to remove the tape-ins carefully from my hair and to just make sure that there's no breakage and none of my real hair comes out with the shaky loose tape-ins. Here you can see my stylist sliding out my tape-ins. Once she's done taking out the loose ones, she's going to spray some detangler and start detangling my hair to prep it for shampoo.
What products do you have on it right now?
That's a great question.
It's been a couple weeks since the last.
I know I have, yes, it has. I have some leave-in conditioner, Talia Wajid, apple and aloe leave-in, a little bit of Blue Magic, and I use some curl definer.
Okay.
Yeah, I think that's what I use. So I noticed that Iman separated my hair into two sections. She had a back section and a front section, and she first wet the back, shampooed, and then wet the front and shampooed. Then she shampooed all together. Of course, after the shampoo comes conditioner. Iman conditioned my hair and then sat me under the steamer for about 20 minutes. Once the steam treatment was done, she detangled and rinsed my hair. Alright y'all, so now that the wash is out of the way, Iman is going to go ahead and put back in the tape-ins that she removed in the beginning. She's going to make sure it's even on both sides and to make sure I just have a full even head of hair. Also, I had a collaboration with Blue Magic and I went ahead and threw it into this hairstyle. You know, as a creator, you got to get your content where you can, and I definitely took advantage of this opportunity. I didn't have to be the one doing my hair, okay? So my stylist located the spots that needed new tape-ins. She blow dried the roots just a bit because, like I said in previous videos, your roots do need to be straight so that, or straight, not even straight, just stretched so that the tape-ins are properly applied right to your scalp. There's no kinks or curls getting in the way of your tape-ins having a clean, flat, smooth, adhesive line. So here you see her press down on one, then she's going to flip it over and apply the other side. So it's sort of like a sandwich effect. Your hair, there is a thin layer of your hair in between the tape-ins. Now I believe this is a mini flat iron just to heat up the adhesive and make sure it's secure on your scalp. I love watching Iman work. Honestly, you guys, definitely check her out if you are in the Atlanta area. She is at Perfect Distraction Hair Gallery. Honestly, her work is just top tier. So definitely, if you want to get your tape-ins done, check out Iman. Her Instagram is also @_styles by Iman_. Okay? Shout out to my girl. All right, we've got fresh new tape-ins. Now Iman is checking to see if any are exposed and making sure that my vixen part is maintained. Now that that's over with, Iman is going to stretch out all of my hair just to make it easier for the upcoming perm rod set. So I feel like you guys are actually getting to see her hoist all of this hair up onto my head, and it's giving a really accurate description of just how much hair this is. Even the stylist herself had to stretch my hair out with a blow dryer because it's an overwhelming amount of hair, especially in its natural state. There I go, getting her to incorporate a little bit of blue magic for this content. She mostly put it on my scalp and edges to seal and lock in moisture. Now she's adding a little bit of foaming mousse and perm rodding my hair. Ooh, I kept losing perm rods left and right. I don't know, they just kept like snapping and bouncing off my hair. But anyways, all the perm rods are in. Now Iman is going to sit me under the dryer until my hair is completely dry. All right, guys, almost to the finish line. Now that my hair is dry, Iman is going to gently pull out these perm rods and fluff and separate my curls. This is the most mesmerizing footage. I love watching her just gently grab the curls, separate, finger twirl, fluff. Like, honestly, I could watch this all day long. While I was at my appointment, Iman did let me know that she watched my YouTube video where I had my tape-ins wash day, and we discussed what I did wrong, things to do next wash day that can improve and make my tape-ins last as long as possible. So we both agreed that I was a little bit too aggressive on wash day, especially with the shampooing. And then when I conditioned and detangled, I did not hold the tape-ins at the roots. I kind of just tried to detangle as if it was my own hair, and that was a big mistake as well. So I do have another wash day possibly coming, you guys. I do not know if I want to film myself doing it on camera again because the last one was such a disaster. But if I don't, I will make a video commenting on how the wash day went. That way you guys can at least know, how that second wash day went and was it better than the first. Now Iman is applying hairspray to hold the curls. I absolutely love the way my hair turned out. I had perfect spiral curls. It was so voluminous. Iman shaped it perfectly to my face, and honestly, I'm just pleased that I didn't have to do this wash day myself.